In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and update your payment method if it's not working. Having an effective payment method is crucial for smooth transactions and ensuring your orders go through without a hitch. So let's dive right in and make sure your payment setup is perfect. First, you need to ensure that your payment method aligns with one of the accepted types. These include credit cards such as Amex, Visa, or MasterCard, debit cards like Visa or MasterCard as long as they have a CVV code, PayPal, cash, or a grocery voucher card such as Oopsie Vale. Ensuring you have one of these methods is your first step to resolving any issues you might be facing. Now, let's move on to updating your payment method. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step. You'll need to start by navigating to the Account button, which you'll find at the bottom right of your screen. Once you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to a section where you can manage everything related to your account. Next, locate the option labeled Wallet and select it. This section is crucial because it holds all your payment information. It's where you can view, add, or modify any of your chosen payment methods. Once you're in the Wallet section, look for the ADD Payment Method option and click on it. This is where you'll begin the process of updating or adding a new method. You'll be presented with several choices, but you'll need to select either credit or debit card or PayPal based on what's most convenient for you. Choosing one of these options will prompt you to fill in your payment details. Be meticulous while entering this information, as errors can prevent your payment from being processed successfully. Whether it's your card number, expiration date, or the CVV code, ensure there are no typos and everything matches the details registered with your bank or PayPal account. If you encounter any issues related to an invalid payment method, it's essential to address them immediately, as without a valid payment method, you won't be able to place an order. Double check to see if your cards are up to date, or if you are using PayPal, make sure your account is in good standing and linked to a valid bank account. By following these steps, you'll have a functional and trouble-free payment method ready to go. This not only ensures that your transactions are smooth, but also gives you peace of mind knowing that your payments will proceed without any hitches. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher, and happy shopping!